Got fine hair? Well, this haircut and style could be perfect for you. For full details of this cut, check out the description of the video. Now, I headed in to see Ian Fallon of Fallon & Mann Barbers in Edinburgh. He's the co-owner of the shop with his partner Arthur Mann. Now, it might look like my hair is thick, but it's actually really very fine, meaning the diameter of each hair is thinner, but I have a lot of it. Now, as such, this cut needs to build in volume to make my hair look thicker and fuller. After washing my hair, Ian starts on the sides of my head, using scissors to remove a lot of the bulk of the hair in vertical sections. He does one side and then the other and checks them for symmetry. Now, this is a scissor cut to make it more personalized and precise, but it would be about a grade 3 if using clippers. Into the back, he does the same but with diagonal back sections to flow with the shape of the head. He then moves to the transition area between the back and sides and the top. Now, if you're looking for a haircut for fine hair, head to the manfromself.com hairstyle directory and filter by fine hair. Try any of these. Into the top, he starts by placing in a guideline for the length. For this, we're going shorter in the crown to longer at the front, as this will help to provide structure and build height in the hair. This is a really great way to make the hair look thicker and fuller. Ian then used some of my product and for texture volume spray with a hairdryer and his hands to build in volume and lift the hair. Now, when it was almost dry, about 95%, he then used a round brush to close the ends of the hair, removing any fluffiness. He then moved to finesse the cut using mini clippers and a comb around the ears and down onto the neck. Now, the mini clippers give more control and ensures he doesn't take off too much. From there, it was styling with a little paste. This is the 11 Australia Dry Shampoo Volume Paste, a workable styler to add in definition and even more texture. And to finish, it was some texture spray for even more body. So, what do you think? I love it. I think it looks neat, and more importantly, it looks thicker. And if you're still not subscribed, then hey, come on, subscribe right now and check out the full details of this haircut in the description. But until my next new video, bye bye.